took my advice and peeled out on the way back. Said earlier this was a nonsense type move. We never know when we're going to guess the right resistance. I said 72 to 74, and I didn't know that it was going to get that high. So once we get this kind of a fast move and you're in, grab something in that 62 region, because it's just algos, and then go sidelines. You don't have to do anything. Using our 30-minute chart, we're using our 60-minute chart. I said, I don't know if the high is in for the day or not, and right now it's a dangerous time to be in the market. And this shows you the power of the algos. If you are looking to short today, all we can use is today's high as resistance. And this is algo wars. So that chart that I was just showing you gave us a pretty good indication where we should be looking for potential support to come in. Don't forget, 56.25 is the gap. So half gap trade completes and profits get taken and juiced. This bar now, we can travel anywhere we want within that bar. This shows you how dangerous the market is right now. Okay, we were using 72 to 74 as resistance. Let's keep it there. If you want to put it up just a hair, go ahead. Support, I said to you, support should be that 71. If that gets violated into the IB, then we can go and do anything. And I would advise caution, because we can run stops both directions now. Craziness. Do not ruin your account on a day like today. I told you this is being supported. It was supported this morning at 48. It got supported here at 58. Keeping 78 as our back-end resistance today. Amazing. See, I don't know. I don't know what happened. High of the day's resistance is broken. 78 is the next back-end resistance. And I said yesterday that I thought 75, because it's the daily demon, could be a target. The market's being protected. That we know. Don't try to make sense out of a day like today. When this thing is falling, first target, try to knock out that 64 to 62. After that, gravy. And right now, anybody that took a second shot short is wiped out. These are dangerous markets. Look at this tail. Look at the support from the gap area. Show. Thank you. Well, you know, this is a manipulated market. We said that earlier today. This just goes to prove it. And once something goes amiss, there's no reason to be a hero. Somebody's going to want profits from this move. If you scalp short, we need one more time to get back under the 71.75, right, the IB. Because we're dealing with risk reward right now. This is probably the strangest day I have seen. And note that we shook out both ends of this bar. Okay, the demon, today's demon right now is this bar right here, and the low is 74. So gap not quite closed, and risk and reward said, let's go back the other way. We got there, and then it got another goose. And if you look at this, we said, and that's the strange thing about today, we made this 5-point higher high on much lower volume. And then we get this crazy bar. It'll be fun to see the boys try to explain this one. And we said today, we could go to any high. Assumption was that pullbacks are for buying. Anybody that had their wits about them to understand this gap right here, the 5 to 10 minute chart. Tell me these guys don't know where this stuff is. So second opportunity to buy, and everybody that missed it is now going to be trying to buy the high again. Momentum trade today. And don't be surprised if we make a higher high and then reverse again. It is a manipulated market. I've said that all along, and I'm saying it again as loudly as I can. Manipulated market. Yeah, you go out to lunch. Yeah, stay same range. I just got back from lunch. Same range when I left. God, nothing happened. So tell me these guys don't know what they're doing.